My name is Rajat Nair. My register number is URK19CS1107. Today we're gonna talk about on the topic file handling in Java. So basically we will be going to the question parts. So the first question is to create a Java program to find which word has the maximum occurrence and replace that word with a special symbol asterisk. We will go to the code part. So here I've done this question with array list. So what we have done, we have created a file writer in which we have created a text document, that is SEM, and we are using a buffer writer too because there are more number of lines, so more data, so we need to use buffer writer. So we are just providing some write statements, write functions in it, like some lines in the file. So now we just providing some lines and just closing it. Now we need to read that file and we need to store it in a array. So basically the array for all the lines, all the words, what we have done in this, we are taking all the lines and splitting it. So we are using split function. So when we split all the words of a line will split it, and we are using array list, so we can use arrays functions like sort. So basically when we are providing all the words by splitting, so we need to sort it. So it's easy, so we can say arrays dot sort array. So now what we have done, we are having all the we are just getting all the words and just checking that every next word is same as that of the previous word. So what we have done, we are using a for loop, that is int I equal to I of array length I plus plus. Inside it we are checking if array of I equals array of I minus 1. So basically if I is 1, so it will check the 0th index and compare that if it's same. If it's so, then count plus plus, else we are providing a max variable and a count variable with initializing 1. Now in this we are just providing max values and count, like every time a word comes it will count 1, and if a word comes twice or thrice it will count as usual. So like if 2 times come, count will be 2, and we are just storing that max equal to count and element will be equal to till the last one. If the new element comes, then the previous element will be the last element, so we are storing in it. So every time every element has a count and a max, so we are just storing it, and we are just getting it by a system.out.println x, and the element is the most occurring element in it. So we are just using array of list in it. So we are just giving the list dot index of, so basically index of element. So which element, every element has its own index, so till if an element comes many times, then the index should be we should iterate all the words from that element's index to the maximum amount of occurring of that element in the array. So we are just also providing a for loop for replacing that. If that element is coming in whichever places, please just replace that with asterisk. Now just providing with system.out.println x. So when we run this code, it will see like, see, I've written a sentence, name is dog is a cat tiger, is bird humming. So you can see it will sort it. First for loop was for sorting, so it sorted like alphabetically, and it will say the word occurring the most in the file is, and we have replaced that is, all the is, with asterisk. So the code is right. Moving on to the next question. Next question says that create a Java program to extract every word which does not start with the first letter of your name from a file. Say find my stuff.txt. For example, if your name is Sam, extract all the words which start with the letter S or capital S. Display the total count of words that start with the first letter of your name. So my name is Rajat, so I will take R. So what I've done, in this code I've created file writer and buffer writer and just given some statements in the file and just reading it. So I've created text file find my stuff text. In this I've provided some write statements, and in that I need to find out the words starting with R and not R. So what I've done, I'm splitting it, and using a for loop I'm just retrieving all the words with a function known as starts with. So basically starts with will help you to find the words which will start with R and capital R. So if it's so, we should provide C plus equal to 1. What is C plus equal to 1? C plus equal to 1 means we're just providing a count variable type. So every time if it's that word comes, we should count. Otherwise, we should print all the non-occurring letter words of R and R, no, capital R. So basically this one is for that. So basically you can see when I run this code, you can see words not starting with R and capital R, all the words from this will come except R and capital R, and you can see total words not starting with R and R are 25, and total words starting with R and R are 3, because only Rajat, register and record, only 3 words are there for which are starting. So I've done a normal for loop for getting with R and R with the help of starts with function, and also I'm just giving a count or a variable to count for every time how many R are coming and not non-R's are coming. So I'm just providing with system.out.print statements. So this is all for file handling in Java. Thank you.